Well, this is Ryan Ranch here, and it says you are here. One-way distance is a half mile, and it's 80 feet elevation gain, so that shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to go down there and come back the same way, I think. So half mile, 1 mile shouldn't be too bad, and that's what we're looking for there. Okay, now this is the beginning of the trail. It's kind of sandy here, and half mile in, half mile back. Took my little woolly thing off. I just got my shirt on here, starting to warm up. No wind right here. It might get windy up there, but I'll just have to take my chances there. Took the spongy thing off the GoPro, so maybe you can hear me better now. I don't know. Well, still on the trail to Ryan's Ranch. It's 11:30. One other guy passed me, and oh, I see the ruins of the building over there starting to come into view here. So yeah, I can have a little rest once I get up there. And what I'm going to do after this, I don't know. I don't know here. Most of the hikes today have been relatively flat, and I've seen mostly everything here, I think. But I'll check the map when I get back to the car. This looks like something man-made here. I don't know what it would be, a little pool or something. And I'm going to walk up there in a little bit. There's another guy up there now. So I figure I'd come over and investigate this little one here. Maybe this is for storage or something. I don't know. Walk inside here. It's like a pretty solid. It's got these little holes that go in there. Holes in there too. I don't know what they were for, ventilation or whatnot. Oh, so it did have a smooth layer. That's a little fragile. I don't want to touch it. So that all fell off. But yeah, got those little holes in there. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, and there's something up there. Maybe that's the well. But I'm going to walk up here to the house here. Let's see. On my way up, like I said, that might be a well. I don't know. But there's a pipe coming down, and it's cut off here. So maybe it went down somewhere. The house is up higher there, about the same level as that, so maybe water might have come out there. I don't know. Let's go see. I don't know what kind of cactus this is. This looks like all hair laying down, or maybe that's just how it looks when it starts out. I don't know if this is the same thing. Kind of strange. I don't want to touch it, but yeah, that looks different than this. So looks like angel hair maybe. I don't know. We're coming up here to more pipes, so maybe this would have connected down there. Something living inside of there. I just saw something move. Maybe a spider or a little varmint. But yeah, so maybe that could have gone up to the house. I don't know. Well, this looks like the remains of Ryan's Ranch. It certainly had a beautiful, gorgeous view from up here. Look at this view here. We'll come out and look on the other side here. Not much of it left, just a few standing corners and walls here. But just think, if you lived up here, this is the view you would have out there from your ranch house. Look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. I don't know how he got up here, if he had a vehicle, or maybe that trail was a little wider then, or it's kind of overgrown now, but yeah. Not much left inside. Like I said, just walls. And it looks like these are with straw that they made this out of. You know, adobe and stuff and gravel and I don't know what, some kind of mortar, and put in a bunch of straw, or, you know, maybe dead stuff from Joshua trees that they've added in here. So, yeah, you can still feel it there. Look at that. Yeah, a lot of stuff in there. There you go. You can see it was made in there. All those little straw stuff coming out. Held up quite well, I guess. Here's the other part here. It looks like you had a number of different rooms. There's a room here, a room there, like a living room, bedroom, kitchen, who knows. And here's an old spigot here, or something, some kind of pipe coming out of the ground. So maybe that was water or sewer down here he had built in. There's another pipe coming out, and pipes around here. So they had to have some kind of sewage or something here. Oh, what do we got over here? Watch my step. Oh, way up. Well, some people left a broken bottle there, but yeah, broken bottle isn't anything good, but it's got some stakes in the ground or things that he's driven in there. One is bent there, maybe to hold things down, or I don't know, but there's Ryan Ranch. Yeah, look at this here. Look at the hills you're surrounded by. Beautiful, gorgeous here. Yeah, a lot of climbers I see climbing, practice climbers doing some of the low ones here, but okay, gotta take some pictures now. Looks like maybe Ryan had barbed wire here at one time. Kind of small barbs on there, not super big ones, but how they string this stuff here, and I don't know what, to keep animals in or keep animals out. There are supposed to be some bighorn sheep around here. Haven't seen any, but old piece of rusted metal down there. So old Ryan, I guess, had a pretty good setup here. And here's the rest of that barbed wire that I saw. It's coming along here, goes along here, an old stanchion or something, goes along here over the rocks, and maybe he had his area fenced in there. There's more of that angel hair wispy stuff there. Okay, let's get back up to the house here. Yeah, right up here would be where it'd be looking out with that beautiful view out there. But this is the side of the house here. Look at this foundation here. Spent a lot of time putting in a good foundation, and it looks like kind of mud adobe or something in there, because it looks like mud. But and then all this. I wonder if Ryan built this himself. I don't know. Here's the front of it here as we're coming around. Yeah, there it is. So if it's a ranch, maybe he had cattle or something up here. I don't know. Not cattle, but some kind of animals. Ranch something here. Okay, more pipes in the ground here, different things. He had a lot of piping here and everything. Oh, let's go see what this is over here. Some kind of cistern or something maybe up here. I don't know. Let's see here. Well, maybe this was a trough that got filled with water. I don't see how you'd get the water in there unless it was just rainwater, unless you had a pipe that came in over the top. I don't know what that could be for. But there's some more stuff. I'm heading up there. Okay, we got this laying on the ground. I think this was a structure for a windmill, maybe to pump water. And yeah, this old derelict tower that you have a windmill on top. At least I would think so. Another pipe coming out of the ground up there. He's got pipes all over the place. How he buried these in the ground so deep. Look how far underground that is. I don't know. And here's some pieces of metal still in the ground, and this may have been where that tower might have been, at least part of it, attached to the ground here. I don't know. All kind of mystery stuff here. And more pipes running there. We're heading up that way. Okay. Well, another stake in the ground, a metal one down there, right down there. You know, I'm trying to find an easy way to get up there, but that looks all brushy down there. Have to go back the other way here, I guess. All right. Well, there's a tower for presumably a windmill. Here's that pipe. And I'm going to come up here, cross over the pipe. Oh, he's got some heavy-duty piping up here, that's for sure. Little pathway here. Not too much in the way of thorns. Let's see what this is up here. Oh, look at this. We got old debris here. Maybe some sort of a winchy thing or something here. I don't know what that would have been. Something that had, you would roll on something there. And I can't see what's in there. I'll hold my camera over. I'll look at it later, see what's in there. I doubt if it's anything. But, yeah, okay. Oh, another engine down here. I'll get that on the way down. I don't want to backtrack. Oh, here's the part of the windmill. The old blades of the windmill here. So yeah, that had to be a windmill down there to get the power to pump or move water or do something with it there. So let's come over to this guy here. Look at this big tank. I don't want to stick my head in there. It might be a varmint or a snake heaven. Hello, anybody home? Nope. And it looked like that might have fallen over because there's a pipe coming out the bottom. So maybe the windmill pumped water into here to store it. Something like that. I don't know. Very interesting. Very interesting here. Here we got this shack. This looks pretty new here. This looks pretty new. Although been devastated, but look at that good solid stuff there. Poured concrete pad. How do you get a concrete pad poured up here? I don't know. And looks like pump. So this might be the well. I would think so. Let's see what it says here. It says Amarillo. I can't read because it's down too low for me there. I'll take a picture of it. But yeah, this is in pretty good shape. And out here, I don't know what this was down there. Looks like it had a roof on it. Maybe it was more water storage or something. All mystery here, mystery. A lot of mysteries here. Okay, unsolved mysteries. And here's a gasoline engine here. There's a transmission. It's not bad shape for how many years it's been here. It says BIG on there, big. Maybe that was a brand or something. And then we have another one over here with a transmission that would do something here. So stuck down in the bushes, been down there God knows how long. Can't see. Got this one here. So got part of a spark plug there. The other ones are all broken off there. I don't know if this is the oil thing here, but it's all solid in there now here. But yeah, different pieces down there. But yeah, there was his ranch house over there. The windmill was up here. That apparently looks like a pump and maybe a storage thing for water. This might have been storage for water for animals, if you had animals, because this is called a ranch, so you had to have some kind of animals here, I would guess. I don't know what. Sheep? I don't know. More piping here. See, there's a pipe coming out the bottom of that. Goes along here, comes down, and it disappears down in there. So maybe these are running to pump that. Very interesting here, very interesting. Now there's another pipe there, and then there's some kind of a rocky thing. It looks man-made because the rocks are piled up on both sides. Maybe that's where the pipe got buried there, and that's where he marked it. Yeah, because you can see it coming out down there. So he probably put rocks on either side so they'd know where the pipe was buried. Because if we come down here, yeah, there's all the markings And there's that pipe. But it's going down there, and the house is up there. So, oh, maybe it went to this other structure that I saw earlier, that needed water too or something. Very strange. And this is where the pipe comes out, which we saw earlier, but didn't know from whence it came. But it came from the pump house up there, I guess. And maybe it would have something to do with this building, which maybe carport. I don't know. That seems kind of strange there, but a piece of ceramic. Might have been a coffee mug or a dish or something from back then, but I'll leave it here. No other things here, but yeah, I guess you could have parked something in there, or maybe had a wagon or something and kept it here. Here's a whole thing of barbed wire here, a whole mess of barbed wire, and some tubing there for a car or something there, I don't know. And I don't want to get caught in that barbed wire. Have a rescue come in here. And more pieces of metal. Another foundation here, because you got a foundation here. Oh, nice foundation, a nice poured piece of cement there. And natural foundation. It's got little metal things in the corner. One down here too. And yeah, I don't know. I'll have to research this online. Maybe there's some information. Little rocks here. And we're getting back out here, so let's leave our area here. Okay.